Good morning, Michelle, and welcome to Hometown Living.
Good morning, Kim.
I love that denim is just transitioned. Like it's dressier now than it used to be. You can wear it for almost any occasion. So tell me all about denim.
So I feel like when you go to shop for jeans, right, it's almost as traumatizing as shopping for a swimsuit.
Yes, it is.
I was just talking to one of our clients yesterday. So we're here to just try to explain denim, the washes, the rises, the fits, because there's a lot on the market right now. But it is really important for us all to have a good pair of jeans that we feel good in our closet.
Yes.
And I feel like jeans were the go-to, pre-pandemic. And then we all got used to being in our yoga pants and our leggings. And for me, it's been kind of hard to get back into denim. I don't know about you.
Yes.
So I always want them to feel comfortable, but you want to feel and look good in your jeans.
Yes. So let's talk about that, because I had one style of jean and then somebody talked me into like a wide leg jean and I was like, oh, these are now my new favorites. So let's talk about all the different styles and body types and what's best.
Did you say they are your favorite or not?
Oh, they are my favorite.
Yes. So wide leg jeans are having a moment. Skinny jeans have kind of taken a back seat for a little bit. And let's be honest, skinny jeans really were never comfortable.
No.
Yeah. So yes. We're also seeing very trendy is a cuffed jean.
Okay.
Wide leg with a cuff.
Okay.
Yes. So let's go through some of the styles.
Great.
We have a straight, which is straight all the way down. Skinny would be straight and then tapered down toward the ankle.
Okay.
A boot cut is universally flattering on everybody. So if you don't have a boot cut in your closet, I highly recommend grabbing one. And then flares a little bit wider at the bottom. And then there's the boyfriend jean, which I also love.
Yeah, so what's the difference with that? Because I have seen the boyfriend jean. And what's the difference in that jean, that cut?
So boyfriend jean is basically like you put your boyfriend's jeans on. They're kind of lived in, they're slouchy, they're relaxed. I think it's super elevated to take a boyfriend jean and then put a really feminine blouse on with a pair of heels. It's kind of a street look, very cool. So yeah, that's the deal with that.
I love that.
Yeah, and then we have 3 rises. Mid-rise is definitely very trendy. I don't personally love a mid-rise on me. If you have a long torso, that can be very flattering. The nice thing about a high rise is if you have a cropped tee, then you kind of have a meet and greet, so there's no midriff showing.
Okay.
Low rise has also kind of taken a back seat. Mid rise is my favorite, and also universally flattering on most people.
So mid rise sits right at the belly button?
Right at the waist.
Okay.
Yes, where a high rise is going to come up a little higher.
The mom jean, like the high rise just cracked me up because I graduated from high school in the 80s.
Yeah, same.
And we all had those.
We all did it, yeah.
They say that, and it's true, they just all come back around again.
It all comes back, just in a little bit of a different form.
If only I would have saved all those jeans.
Yes. And then let's talk about washes.
Okay,
so there's no right or wrong here. I always think a dark wash is definitely dressier, and it can be more flattering too. The other thing that I want to talk about is if you have some junk in the trunk, we want to stay away from a lot of detail hardware on the back pockets.
That makes sense.
That can kind of emphasize that. I think it's also important to think about when you're jean shopping, what shoes that you plan to wear, so that the links are right. Here's another little trick that the brands are doing.
Oh, that's cute.
This is called a raw hem.
Okay.
This is showing on the camera. So they do this so that you don't have to take it to a tailor if it's too long, or you can just cut it yourself. This is called a raw hem.
Wow.
So this is brilliant. And we're seeing a lot of vendors doing this.
I love that.
So it's very customer friendly.
So just give me 2 quick ways that you could take a jean and like dress it up.
Yes, well, my favorite is a jean with a blazer. You can do a little graphic tee to make it fun. You can do a nice blouse underneath it and a loafer or a heel. I also love it with a sweater, as little spring. Yes. So we love a denim moment.
I love it.
Yes.
Is stonewash coming back too? Like with talking about the 80s and the high rise of the jeans.
Yeah.
Is a stonewash color coming back?
We're definitely seeing a lot of lighter washes right now. We also forgot to talk about the barrel jean.
Oh, no, what is that?
The barrel jean is having a huge moment.
Okay.
It's very fashion forward. It's not for everybody. So it's a wider leg. It's kind of, if you think about it, the shape of a barrel. Yes. It's, like I said, very editorial.
Wow.
Yes. Yeah.
I love
so
that.
much to learn about denim.
Well, and I think it's more acceptable now. You know,
Yeah.
it used to be that denim, I would think, was more casual.
Yeah.
Where now, with the ways that you've described it, like you could really wear it out for dinner or something a little dressier. Do you agree?
Yeah, and I think a lot of companies too are doing, you know, kind of a casual Friday where you still want to look professional. So you can still wear a jean, like I said, with a loafer, a heel, and a blazer, and still look professional, but a little more casual.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you. I have to go home and look at all my jeans
Oh, your
now.
jeans, yes. Go jean shopping.
That's right. If you want great tips on how to look chic, just head over to Glam Boutique. You can also go to their website, glampresents.com.